welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So today I found a place which was not too far from my house, but I never been here before. And suddenly I was checking on the internet and where the nearest bird watching places, and it just popped up with the comments. They have seen different kind of birds out here. So I thought, okay, let's go and take some time. The sun is really nice, good light. So I thought let's go and do some research over the place, and let's see what kind of birds we can see. I can already see on the board they say there are a lot of spoonbill, avocen, blue and blue throat. So different kind of birds are here, and moreover the light is good, so I decided to let's take my R7 with 100/500 and connect it to the 1.4x extender, because I see the reads are quite high and it will be a challenge if I don't have good reach to get the birds pictures, So I will also give you some views how does it perform with this combination, and it's really worth to buy it. Tune with me and let's start this journey. Thanks a lot, guys. Birds are already jumping here and there. Nice to see some little birds. So guys, we have two way, either we go this way or we go this way. I always believe on my right, so I will first take the right, and let's see what we can see out here. So you can see, guys, the reeds are quite high and tall, and this is gonna be a really big challenge. Oh, I already see a reed host or a reed bunting, what we call in our Dutch. So let's see if these are really high reeds. Airport is very close by, the airport from Amsterdam, cause Schiphol. So we got a lot of noise. Okay, let's take a walk. I saw a little chief chop on that. It's most probably a young one. So because now all the breeding season is almost finished and all the birds are coming out of the eggs, and the young ones are really restless and they always move here and there. So, but yeah, I saw it and then it just gone. Let's move forward. So guys, I think the good idea will be, here the reeds are a little bit low, and we can just stay here for a little longer to see if we can see any birds. So after connecting this 1.4x extender, guys, I'm reaching my aperture is wide open at f10. That is the little bit problem, and shutter speed, I'm keeping it constant at 800. I know it's not enough for the little birds because they move so fast, but still I have no other choice, otherwise I'm going to shoot my ISO if I put it there. Let's see, my ISO is reaching 800. Some places still doable, 600 to 800. I will put it in the video. Let's move forward. When the reeds are too high and the birds are too small, it's always works in their favor and they just hide here and there. So let's take those two are still moving around there. Lot of reed birds. I haven't seen a blue throat yet, but I heard there are a lot of them. So we'll take, that was something. So guys, I lost them, but I still see a lot of them flying here and there. So just to be sure, there. Just fire. Look like the leaves are gone from there also. I can hear the blue throats. 101%. These are blue throat chicks. They need to little bit come up on the roots, otherwise taking a picture is very difficult. I can see they are flying here and there, and then drive into the look there. Maybe that work. I have a trick. Let's see. You can see this is a walk place and both sides is water. So during the rainy season this is really flooded. But I got a couple of pictures with that 1.4x. I will put it in that. Although the ISO was quite high, 3200. But I hope some of them will be nice. I think the cuckoo is sitting there. I spot something. Let me just check. Guys, I hope you like this today's little adventure. Although I couldn't show you how this 1.4x works in the live action mode, which I tried, and this place is really empty. I don't see a lot of birds, and that's make me really very sad and don't find a suitable subject for you guys. But many more videos to come, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.